operators like shift operator, differential operator, unit operator, forward difference operator, backward difference operator, average operator and central difference operator. Let us how to use this relation in an example. So let us see example. Prove the following result. Prove the following result. First one, 1 plus delta into 1 minus nebula is equal to 1. 1 plus delta into 1 minus nebula is equal to 1. Here LHS, 1 plus delta into 1 minus nebula. We can obtain this term's result is 1. So all these terms in this definition, in this problem are explained or are expanded. So delta, we can expand delta. So delta, that means E minus 1 into 1 minus nebula. So 1 minus nebula, nebula that means 1 minus E inverse. એટલે કે ડેલ્ટા અને નેબ્લા ની જગ્યાએ આપણે એનું રિલેશન મૂકી દીધું. ડેલ્ટા બરાબર E minus 1, નેબ્લા બરાબર 1 minus E inverse. 1 અને 1 કેન્સલ E. એથી 1 minus 1 કેન્સલ થશે, માઇનસ માઇનસ પ્લસ વધશે. સો મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન E inverse. E ની પ્લસ પાવર, E ની માઇનસ પાવર, so E ની 0 power, that means 1. So we can obtain this result. Second, delta into nebula, delta into nebula is equal to delta minus nebula. So delta into nebula, LHS is equal to delta into nebula. So directly we cannot written like this, delta into nebula is equal to delta minus nebula. So we put some relation, delta is equal to E minus 1 and nebula is equal to 1 minus E inverse. So E into 1, that means E minus, E into E inverse, that means 1 minus 1 into 1 into 1, that means minus 1, and minus 1 into minus 1, that means plus 1 into inverse, that means E inverse. We can produce output like this, delta minus nebula. So in this term, delta, so what is the delta? Delta means E minus 1. So we can have a E minus 1 in this term. So we can write this term in together and common between this term minus 1. So 1 minus E inverse. So E minus 1, that means delta, minus 1 minus E inverse, that means nebula. So delta into nebula is equal to delta minus nebula. Third one, prove the result. Delta plus nebula is equal to delta upon nebula minus nebula upon delta. So we can result, suppose we can use RHS, right hand side, delta upon nebula minus nebula upon delta. લસા લઈ લઈએ તો ડેલ્ટા સ્ક્વેર માઇનસ નેબ્લા સ્ક્વેર અને લાસ્ટ ને અપોન nebula into delta. So a square minus b square, like this we can expand this term, delta minus nebula and delta plus nebula. We can use this property, delta into nebula, that means delta minus nebula, that means delta minus nebula. We can cancel this term, so we have a delta plus nebula. So we can obtain this result. Fourth one, mu square, averaging operator square plus 1 plus delta square upon 4. So we use the right hand side, so we can easily expand this term. Right hand side 1 plus delta square upon 4. So we can have a result of delta in terms of E, and we can have a result of mu, averaging operator, in terms of shift operator E. So delta, that means e power 1/2 minus e power minus 1/2 square upon 4 as it is. લસા લઈ લઈએ અહીંયા 4 into 1 that means 4. Expand this term e power 1/2, so that means e power 1/2 square that means e minus 2 into e power 1/2 into e power minus 1/2 that means minus 2 and plus e power minus 1/2 that means e power minus 1 upon 4. So 4 plus e minus 2 plus e minus, so e plus 4 and minus 2 that means plus 2 and e raised to minus 1 upon 4. We produce the result mu. So what is the mu? So mu is equal to e power 1/2 plus e power minus 1/2 upon 2. But we required mu square. So this term gets square. We get this result. This term square that means e power 1/2 square that means e plus 2 into this term that means e power 1/2 e power minus 1/2 that means 1 and e power minus 1 upon 2 square that means 4. So we have a result like this. So this is the e power 1/2 plus e power minus 1/2 upon 2 square. So this is the mu and square. This is the important example. This problem asked in university exam. IMP છે, આ પ્રશ્ન પૂછાયો છે. Suppose LHS e power 1/2 into e power 1/2 plus e power minus 1/2 into 1 plus delta e power 1/2 is equal to 2 plus delta સાબિત કરો. રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ નો યુઝ કરો થોડું ઓકવર્ડ થાય, તો અહીંયા આપણે LHS નો યુઝ કરીએ. આ બધાને છૂટા પાડી દઈએ એટલે સાદુરૂપ ઈઝી પડે. e power 1/2 minus e plus e power minus 1/2 plus 1 plus delta power 1/2. આ બધું e માં છે તો આને e માં ફેરવી દઈએ તો e power 1/2 plus e power minus 1/2 into 1 plus delta that means e minus 1. Delta that means e minus 1. 1 and 1 cancel, so e power 1/2. E power 1/2 plus e power minus 1/2 into e power 1/2. Multiplication this term in this comes e power 1/2 into e power 1/2, so e plus e power minus 1/2. So e power minus 1/2 and e power 1/2 that means e power 0. So e plus 1. But we require 2 plus delta. So here we produce the result in shift operatory, but we require this result in forward differences. So what is the relation of shift operator and forward differences? So shift operator and forward differences, so that means delta is equal to e minus 1. Delta is equal to e minus 1. So we can put the result of e is equal to 1 plus delta. So 1 plus delta plus 1 as it is. 1 plus 1 that means 2 plus delta. And delta square upon e square is equal to e minus 2 power 2 into e minus 1 power and plus 1. So LHS delta square upon e square. So delta square upon e square, we can change this delta. So both terms are, so delta is equal to e minus 1 square upon e square. E minus 1 square that means e square minus 2e minus 1 upon e square. First term બધાના છેદમાં આ ટર્મ્સ મૂકી દે એટલે અહીંયા 1 વધે. 2e, so 2 into e minus 1 વધે minus 1 upon e square. 1 upon e square that means 1 upon e square that means e power minus 2. So these terms are like 1 minus 2e square plus e power minus 2. So e square plus 1. E minus 1 no square that means e square minus 2e plus 1. So So e square upon e square 1 minus 2 into e square. અંશમાં લખીએ એટલે માઇનસ ઘાત, here plus e square. So e power minus 2 into e power. અને આગળ લખીએ આપણે અહીંયા લખીએ ના plus 1. So we can use this relation between this differential operator or these operators. Please note down. Another important theorem. Let us see this theorem. Prove that d is equal to 1 upon h delta minus delta square upon 2 plus delta cube upon 3 minus delta 4 upon 4 plus up to like this. So d that means differential. Prove in the usual notation, prove that d is equal to 1 upon h delta minus delta square upon 2. So delta that means forward difference is d, that means differential operator. So we know that d power 1 f of x is equal to d by dx f of x. D by dx that means first time derivative. That means it can also represented as f dash x and so on. It also called as a y1 or y dash. Now, whenever we prove this series like this by using the Taylor's theorem, you remember this here by using this Taylor's theorem. So we know that what is the Taylor's theorem? The Taylor's theorem or Taylor's series. Here we can prove this series, so we can use a Taylor series. F of x plus h is equal to f of x plus h into f dash x plus x square upon 2 factorial f double dash x plus h cube upon 3 factorial f triple dash x up to so on. So we required this differential operator d and delta. So by using this Taylor series, we can have a term this like this. But here f dash x, f double dash x, f triple dash x, we can change this term in the differential operator d because of f dash x is equal to d of f of x. So f of x plus h, this term can change. So we can replace this term by e of f of x. So e into f of x, that means f of x plus h. Here f of x plus h into f dash x, that means d by dx f of x equal to d or d into f of x. You can written anything like h into d f of x plus h square upon 2 factorial f double dash that means d square f of x plus h cube upon 3 factorial, that means d cube f of x plus up to like this. So f of x are common in all these terms, f of x, f of x, f of x. So f of x are common here, 1 plus hd plus x square d square upon 2 factorial plus h cube d cube upon 3 factorial. Here these terms are common up to like this. F of x cancel, so e is equal to 1 plus hd plus h square d square plus h square d square upon 2 factorial plus x cube d cube upon 3 factorial. This is the series of e power x. 1 plus e power x, x plus x નો વર્ગ છેદમાં 2 ફેક્ટોરિયલ plus x નો ઘન છેદમાં 3 ફેક્ટોરિયલ. So e raised to, so we have the use e power x, that means 1 plus x plus x square upon 2 factorial, x cube upon 3 factorial, like this. So this series are e power hd 1 plus x, that means hd, plus h square d square upon 2 factorial, h cube d cube upon 3 factorial. So this is the series of e power hd. But we require d and delta. So here we can have a terms e power. So taking the logarithm on both sides, log e is equal to, here log, that means hd. You can also write this log e power hd. hd આગળ આવી જશે એટલે કે log e is equal to hd. We required the capital D. D is equal to, so D is equal to 1 upon h and log e as it is. So D is equal to 1 by h. But we required delta. This series, we required the series of in a delta. So here we can have a terms in shift operator. So change this term. So what is the e? Here we can have a relation of this shift operator and delta. So delta is equal to, e minus 1. So e is equal to 1 plus delta. So log 1 plus delta here. Delta is equal, we can have a relation delta is equal to e minus 1. So e is equal to 1 plus delta. So we can change this shift operator in terms of 1 plus delta. So D is equal to 1 upon h. Log 1 plus x, the series of log 1 plus x like this. So here delta minus delta square upon 2 plus delta cube upon 3 plus delta raised to 4 upon 4 up to like this. Because of log, series of log 1 plus x is equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus here minus x raised to 4 upon 4 plus up to infinity. So we have this result. So this result can be proved there. So D is equal to 1 upon h, delta minus delta square upon 2 plus delta cube upon 3 minus delta raised to 4 upon 4. Same as we prove this another usual notation. Suppose we have another, or we have a nebula, relation nebula, that means nebula is equal to 1 minus e power minus 1 half. So e power minus 1 half, so 1 minus nebula. E power minus 1 half is equal to 1 minus nebula. So E is equal to e raised to minus hd. We can have E is equal to e raised to hd. We can use this form in here. E raised to minus hd is equal to 1 minus nebula. E raised to minus hd is equal to 1 minus nebula. Now taking logarithm on both sides, taking log on both sides, here log e power minus hd and here log 1 minus nebula. Minus hd આગળ આવશે, minus hd log e base e 1 થઈ જશે અહીંયા, log 1 minus nebula. So 1 minus x ની series અહીંયા મૂકીએ તો minus x minus x minus, so here nebula, so minus nebula square upon 2, nebula cube upon 3 minus nebula raised to 4 upon 4 up to like this. Here minus and here minus cancel, so hd is equal to nebula plus nebula square upon 2 plus nebula cube upon 3 plus nebula raised to 4 upon 4 up to this. So d is equal to 1 upon h, nebula plus nebula square upon 2 plus nebula cube upon 3 plus nebula raised to 4 upon 4 up to infinite. તો બે સિરીઝ આવું તમે પ્રૂવ કરી શકો અને nebula નો યુઝ કરીને તમે પ્લસ વાળી એ તમે સાબિત કરી શકો. તો આઈ પૂછાઈ શકે અથવા આઈ પૂછાઈ શકે, બંને ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. લખી નાખો. See other example which is proved that in a usual notation, prove that suppose averaging operator into central operator is equal to 1/2 delta plus nebula. So we use the LHS averaging operator into central operator. Here we get a result in a delta and nebula. Delta and nebula, that means we have a term delta is equal to E minus 1 and nebula is equal to 1 minus E inverse. So we convert this averaging operator and central operator in terms of shift operator E. So we have a result averaging operator, that means E power 1/2 plus E power minus 1/2 upon 2. Remember this relation between shift operator and averaging operator. Also here E power 1/2 minus E power minus 1/2 central operator. A plus B and A minus B. Here A plus B and A minus B. That means A square minus B square. So A square, that means E power 1/2 square, that means E, minus B square, that means E power minus 1/2 square, that means minus 1. E power minus 1 upon 2 as it is. So we required 1/2. Also a delta. So delta is equal to E minus 1. So we can have a E minus 1 and minus 1 can be minus 1 and plus 1 added. minus 1 જો અહીંયા આપણે લખતા હોય તો plus 1 એડ કરી દઈએ એટલે કે સમાન થઈ જાય. So E minus 1, that means delta. Here we can also required nebula. So nebula is equal to 1 minus E inverse. So we add 1 minus as it is E inverse as it is. So these two terms and these two terms are right together. So 1/2 E minus 1, that means delta, plus 1 minus E inverse, that means a nebula. Here mu is equal to 2 plus delta upon 2 into 1 plus delta. So here we use the right hand side terms 2 plus delta upon 2 into 1 plus delta. So 2 plus we obtain the result of this term are mu. So mu, that means we obtain required output like E power 1/2 plus E power minus 1/2 upon 2. So here 2 plus delta, that means E minus 1. Here 2 into 1 plus delta, that means E minus 1. So in numerator E 2 minus 1, that means plus 1. Here 2, 1 and 1 cancel, under root E. So E plus 1 upon 2 under root E, that means E power 1/2. So 1/2 as it is. E power or E upon 2 into E power 1/2. E power 1/2 ને અંશમાં લઈ જઈએ તો E ની 1 ઘાત. અહીંયાથી અંશમાં લઈ જાઓ તો E power 1/2 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 into. So 1 upon 2 into E power 1/2. અંશમાં લઈ જાઓ એટલે E ની minus 1/2. Denominator same. So E power 1/2 plus E power minus 1/2 upon 2. This is a mu. Prove the usual notation. Delta is equal to 1/2 delta square plus delta into 1 plus delta square upon 4. So we use right hand side here. So 1/2 delta square plus delta into under root 1 plus delta square upon 4. We have a result of delta. Delta, that means E power 1/2 minus E power minus 1/2 square plus delta, that means E power 1/2 minus E power minus 1/2 into under root 1 plus E power 1/2 delta, that means minus E power minus 1/2 square upon 4. So solve this term, simplification of this term, E power 1/2 A minus B square, that means e square minus 2ab, that means 2 minus, sorry, plus e power minus 1 half square, that means e power minus 1, plus e power 1 half minus e power minus 1 half into, sorry, here 1 plus this term upon 4. So 1 plus simplification of this term e minus 2 plus e minus 1 upon 4. 4 4 लसा ले लिए तो e minus 2 plus e minus 1 upon 2 plus e power 1 half minus e power minus 1 half into 4 बाजू लसा तो અહીંયા વધે e plus 2 plus e ની minus 1 upon 4. This is the, so e minus 2 plus e ની minus 1 upon 2 plus e power 1 half minus e power minus 1 half into, this is the e power 1 half plus e power minus 1 half square upon 2, or whole square, you can write whole square. 2 નો વર્ગ 4 અને a plus b નો વર્ગ કરીએ એટલે આવું ટર્મ્સ મળશે. આ સ્ક્વેર રૂટ છે અને આ સ્ક્વેર છે તો એ દૂર કરી દઈએ. e minus 2 plus e raised to minus 1 upon 2 e power 1 half minus e power minus 1 half into वर्ग स्क्वेर रूट एंड स्क्वेर दूर करशो એટલે e power 1 half plus e power minus 1 half upon 2. Here e minus 2 plus e power minus 1 half upon 2 plus here a minus b and a plus b, so a square minus b square, a square that means e power 1 half square, so e minus b square that means e power minus 1 half square, that means minus 1 upon 2. બેના છેદ સરખા છે તો અંશના ટર્મ્સ જે છે e minus 2 plus e inverse plus e minus e inverse upon 2, e minus and plus दूर થાય, e plus e that means 2e minus 2 upon 2, 2 common, so e minus 1 upon 2, 2 and 2 cancel, e minus 1 that means delta which is required output, so delta is equal to this term. So whenever we see the problems in problems and we written in usual notation, we prove that this type of problem, we remember that relation between all the internal operators. We remember that all the relation of this difference operator, delta, nebula, averaging operator, difference operator, we have remembered Taylor series. What is the series of e power x? What is the series of log 1 plus x, log 1 minus